What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Weeboy. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris Sane, and today's video is about the stocks that you want to buy for this week, okay? Listen, guys, we have a great week coming up, but it has the potential to be very volatile. And so I want to give you guys some guidance as well as a few plays for this week that will do well after the election, okay? So guys, make sure you tap in, make sure you lock in, pull out your pen and paper so you can take some notes. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, on the road to 100K, my portfolio is currently sitting at $65,707.78. Let's go through here. On the day, it's pretty flat, not too much to write home about. On the week, guys, it's been a lot of volatility. Your boy is down almost 4.5%. If we go 1 month out, it's been a crazy month as well. I am down 2.7%, almost 3%. Okay, if we go 3 months out, I am down 1.3%. Let's go look at all time or 1 year out. Even though I haven't had this account 1 year yet, we are up over 5%. Listen, guys, again, I started this account in January with $0. I come on here each and every day. I'm probably the most transparent guy on YouTube, man, to show you guys how to properly build an investment portfolio. I demonstrate my plays, I show my plays, I show everything you can ask for in terms of those that are new and beginning investors and the type of things you need to know to become a successful investor and grow your money, okay? So listen, if you haven't already, and if you appreciate just somebody keeping it real every single day, please like and subscribe and join the channel, as well as join us on the road to 100K. Listen, guys, today I have a few stocks that I want to put on your radar that will be a good buy after the election, okay? Number one, I am beginning with Fastly, ticker symbol FSLY, currently sitting at $63.48. Listen, guys, after earnings, they dropped from 130 all the way down to 60. Listen, guys, they got caught in a wave with the whole TikTok situation, okay? But nevertheless, a play that had ran up, similar to Zoom, similar to Peloton, things of that nature, guys. This is one that, again, for a short-term play on the road back to 130, you guys can quickly double your money potentially in a play like this. However, all I'm saying is put this on your watch list as something to consider for after the election. Next up, guys, is Boeing, ticker symbol BA. I always keep my eye on this one, and this is an easy money maker, okay? They have been beat down. Obviously, you guys know what's happening globally, okay? They are currently sitting at $144.36, but look, their 52-week high is $375.60. Again, my point being, a real quick way to double your money. Put $5,000 in if this is something you want to do on a speculative level, and make it easy $10,000 in terms of doubling your money in just a short amount of time. They won't make a full recovery for quite some time. However, it's a volatile stock, so sometimes out the blue it shoots up crazy. If you are studying stocks the way that I do and learn to study stocks, you can start knowing how this stock will move, and then you can determine when you should get in and when that next jump up will be. And then one other play for our third play for this week that I want you to consider putting some money into after the election is LCA. Ticker symbol LCA is currently sitting at $12.36. Listen, guys, if you can catch this at $11 this week, please continue to add to your position if you have this already. And if you haven't jumped into this play already, please add it around 11 or this $12 range, okay? Again, the gaming and the online gaming industry will be booming in years to come, beginning in 2021. So I'm predicting by March we'll get things rolling, and through the rest of 2021 nothing will stop DraftKings, LCA, Penn National, and things like that, okay? So listen, guys, I'm just trying to put you up on game on the front end so that you guys can, again, triple, quadruple your money like we do on the channel. If you like making money, man, make sure you like and subscribe to this. Again, guys, I can't do nothing but bring you guys the best information each and every day. Up next, guys, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is market volatility. Listen, guys, market volatility will be alive and well throughout this entire week. The election is on Tuesday. However, Wednesday, expect some uncertainty. Thursday, still expect more uncertainty, and trust and believe, as well as know, uncertainty brings about market volatility, okay? And so, guys, it's important to understand that when your stock and your portfolio is up and down, more so down, there's are things outside of your control that is taking place, okay? Not the time to panic. However, it's the time to prepare. Okay, get your ducks in a row. Start building up your cash position. Look for certain stocks that you had your eye on or that should be on your watch list, because every day I tell you about stocks that you guys should be eyeing, and then you pounce on those. Okay, this is your chance to load up. If you guys want to know how to, again, put yourself on a path to building real wealth, this is how you do it. Catching times like this. These are what they call blood in the streets, but for us, it's our time to eat. So guys, please be on your A game for this week, as well as headed to the rest of the year. All right, guys, without further ado, let's get ready for our question of the day. And our question of the day comes from Brian Ordonez. He said, Chris, I highly appreciate your transparency and your wisdom. I just have a question. I received a dividend payout for the month of September on Capital Southwest. However, I haven't received any dividend profit for the month of October or November. Is it possible if you can articulate dividend payments? I will really appreciate it. Hey, Brian, thank you for sending this question in, and it's a great question. Again, for you new and beginning investors, and if this is your first time getting off into dividend stocks, please understand and please know there's monthly dividend stocks and then there's quarterly dividend stocks, okay? Some might pay biannually or semi and stuff like that, but we're not talking about that right now, and those are few far in between. However, in the case of his question, okay, what I want to talk about is Capital Southwest. If he got paid in September, please know, guys, that's a quarterly stock. For those of you that bought this play on my recommendation, that is a quarterly play. Okay, so you're going to get paid in September, and then you get paid 3 months later. So September, October, November, December. Your next payout, Brian, and anybody else that has this play, is coming in December. Okay, so prepare for that. Build out your position in that. Make sure that you guys go look for the ex-dividend date, because you have to own the stock before that date in order for it to count for that December payout. Please make sure you write that down and take notes on that, okay? But listen, guys, understand what's a quarterly stock and a dividend and a monthly stock, okay? And when you do that, questions like Brian, he'll have a better understanding of knowing when his payouts for Capital Southwest and any other quarterly dividend stock he owns will come. Listen, guys, if you have questions, make sure you leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.